Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on finding the missing add-in. So here's our story. We have a butterfly that has 7 spots on the left wing and some more spots on his right wing. It has 11 spots in all. We've got to find out how many spots are on the right wing. All right, so let's start with how many spots are on the left. Let's go ahead and draw 7 spots. Okay, that's this part right here, 7 spots on this side. And then there are some spots over here on the right, but at this point we don't know how many. We do know that the whole number of spots is 11. So if we count on as we draw more spots and we stop at 11 because that's how many spots there are, we'll find out how many are on the right wing. Are you ready? There were 7 over here, so count on from 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, and you stop at the whole number. So how many spots are over here on the right side? There are 4. So we're going to trace that 4. Remember, part plus part equals the whole. 7 plus 4 equals 11. All right, let's try some more practice on the back. All right, so part plus part equals the whole. We don't know what this part is right here. If we just knew 7 plus something equals 12, 7 plus something equals 12, then you can also think of it as 12 minus 7 equals the other part, because you know these are related sentences. And get my pen ready. All right, so if we're I like to think about finding the missing part. The easiest way for me, I guess the easiest strategy for me to find the missing add-in is to start with the lower number, the smaller number, and count on and stop at the bigger number, the whole number. So let's just use a little bit of white space over here and count on from 7 and make some dots as counters. 7, what's after 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's see how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where they got that number, 5. So part plus part equals the whole. 7 plus 5 equals 12. And so this is the related subtraction sentence. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Okay, so both sentences have a 12, both sentences have a 7, and now both sentences have a 5. So these are related sentences. All right, let's look at this one. We've got one part is 5. We don't know what the other part, that part is missing. That add-in is missing, and 13 is the whole. So 5 plus something equals 13. Well, let's start at 5 and count on. What's after 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many dots do I have? Yeah, there's 8. So 5 plus 8 equals 13. Well, if that's the case, then 13 minus 5 equals 8. Okay? Okay, now this time it's the red part that's missing, the first part, and we know the second part. But we're going to find the answer in the same way. We're going to start counting from the smaller number, this part, count on, and we're going to stop at the whole number and find out what that missing number is. Ready? Count on from 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have to stop counting at 8 because that's the whole number. So how many dots do we have? 3. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. And therefore, 8 minus 5 equals 3. So explain how to find the missing add-in in blank plus 5 equals 14. Okay, you take a minute and Tell your dog, tell your mom, tell whoever's sitting close by. How would you find out this missing addend? Pause the video, talk about it. Okay, so I hope you said something like that we can use a related sentence to find the missing addend. So remember with subtraction, if we have an addition sentence here, make a subtraction sentence, and we got to start with the biggest number. 14 minus 5 equals blank. And so these two boxes are going to contain the same number. Start with the smaller number, count on, and stop at the bigger number. Ready? Start at 5 and count on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plus 5 equals 14, and 14 minus 5 equals 9. All right. Go ahead. Then the next few slides here, you're going to be working on your own to find the missing part. Start at the smaller number. My pen is, forget every time I turn the page, I have to click that. Okay, so start counting on from the smaller number and stop at the big number to find the missing addend. Okay? All right. Good luck.